19th sum. 7 relatives of a man comprises 4 ladies and 3 gentlemen. His wife has also 7 relatives. 3 of them are ladies and 4 of them are gentlemen. In how many ways can those invite a dinner party of 3 ladies and 3 gentlemen, so that there are 3 of men's relative and 3 of the wife's relative? Generally, we are going to invite 3 ladies and 3 men. Okay, out of how many ladies and how many gentlemen only we have to calculate here. For this, we want to put some table here. It will be easy for us there. Okay, so like this I can have the table here. Look at here. Here the husband relatives and wife's relatives are there. Okay, so here ladies and gentlemen. So here this is husband's relative, this is wife's relative. Like this we can have the table here. Okay, totally we have to invite 3 ladies and 3 the gentlemen, isn't it? Totally we must have 3 only there. Okay, let me have from the ladies. Okay, so if you select 3 ladies from wife's relative, so the wife's relative I want to take 3 ladies, and the next possibility is if you select 3 ladies, we can have 0 ladies from husband's relatives, isn't it? Like this, if we have 2 ladies from wife's relative, in husband's relative we can have only 1. If 1 lady from wife's relative, we can have 2 ladies from husband's relative. If we have 0 ladies from women's relative, we can have 3 ladies from husband's relative. Are you clear this? So just take in the order there. If we take 3 ladies and 2, 1, 0. So if we have the descending order, we can have ascending order in husband's relatives there. 0, 1, 2, 3. This is for ladies. Okay, let me go for the gentlemen. So if we take 0 gentlemen from wife's relative, we can have 3 gentlemen from husband's relative. If we have 1 from wives and 2 from husbands, if we have 2 from wives, 1 from husband, if we have 3 from wife, 0 have from husband. Here also we can have 3, 2, 1, 0. So it will be automatically in the ascending order 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, if we take the relative from the wife's side, we have to reduce from the husband side. That's all that. Okay, then we want to do the calculations according to this. Here 4 out of 4 we have to select 3, isn't it? So we can have here as 4C3 into this 4C3, and then here out of 4 ladies we have to select 2 here. So 4C2 into 3C1 here. Likewise here 3C1 out of 3 we are selecting 3C1, 4C2 plus the next one out of 4 we are selecting here, that is 4C1, and out of 3 we are selecting, that is 2, 3C2 into here out of 3 we are selecting 2, that is 3C2. Here out of 4 we are selecting 4C1. Okay, here we can have 4 and here we can 3 like this. Therefore it will be easy for us. And then here in that next option we have 3C3 into 3C3. Okay, and then we want to simplify this thing there. It will be there 4C3 into 4C3 is 4C1 and 4C1, that is 4 into 4. And then here 4C2 into 3C1. 4C2 is 4 into 5 divided by 2 into 1. And then 3C1 is 3 only. And then we have to simplify each and everything like this. That is 4 into 3 into 3 into 4 plus 1 into 1. Therefore, we have 16 plus 324 plus 144 plus 1, which is nothing but 485. 20th sum. A box consists 2 white balls, 3 black balls and 4 red balls. 3 types of balls are there. 2 white balls, 3 black balls and 4 red balls. In how many ways can 3 balls be drawn from the box? We want to select 3 balls. If at least 1 black ball is to be included in the draw. 1 black ball must be take there. Okay. So we can have the table like this. White balls are 2, black balls are 3 and red balls are 4. Okay. So we want to draw totally how many balls we have to take there. 3 balls must be taken from here. In that 3 balls it must be included 1 black ball here. Okay, so we have to, in the table we have to form this 1 black ball must be there. So if it is 1 black ball, how can we take this? We can have the options there. If it is 1 is must, we can have the options here. If 2 white balls are there, red balls must be 0. Here if 0 balls are taken, it must be 2. If 1 ball is taken here, here also 1 ball must be there. By including this 3 black balls like this. Okay. And then we have the other options also. We can reduce that number here. If it is 1 white ball, we can take 0 red balls and 2 black balls. If it is 0, we can take this 2 black balls and 1 white ball. Totally we must take 3 balls only here. So according to this we can have the calculations there. And then we have to do the problem like this. Number of ways equal to 2C 2 into 3C1 into 4C0. From the first row we have to calculate like this. 2C2 into 3C1 into 4C0 plus 2C0 into 3C1 into 4C2 and then 2C1 into 3C1 into 4C1. Like this we have to calculate everything there, so that we have the total answer is 64 here.